I made my own tap to earn game similar to Hamster Kombat, and today in this video I'm going to share it with you, and I'm going to share how it works and how I built it. And then at the end I'm going to share a link if you're interested in using this for your own community. Then there'll be a link that you can register your interest. So why build something like this in the first place? Hamster Combat has been enormously successful and grown at an astronomical rate. And it's using basically very simple mechanics, which I'm going to go through in this app. But part of, I guess, the genius behind it is that it has allowed them to grow really quickly. So it has like a virality element to it. It's got engagement. So like the people that are joining are engaging with the game on a daily basis. And that as part of that engagement, then they're also connecting with the Hamster Combat kind of community in all of their different touch points. So, like for example, it says you've got to join Telegram, you've got to join the their YouTube channel, you've got to watch the videos that they put out, and then you also have to do activities on a daily basis to solve a little puzzle and get some information which will give you the chance to earn more coins. And so all of these things kind of make a quite an enjoyable experience, but it's been tremendously successful. So what I wanted to do was to build something which would actually replicate or be able to replicate some of those elements that I would be able to use for my projects and within my communities. And so basically just wanted to share it with other people and see if anyone else wanted to use it for their communities. So this is the screen that you would see when you first open the game. Very similar, has I guess very similar elements to what's currently in Hamster Combat. So there's the button, that you can tap and that will give you some points or money that you're earning. There's at the top, there's to level up. So you have these different levels that you can reach based on how much money or points that you have. There is the profit per hour. So as you're earning money, one of the kind of key differences that Hamster Combat had was that you don't directly you can earn money in the background by purchasing cards, and we're going to go through those in a minute. But then the profit per hour is the thing that you're trying to optimize for, not necessarily how much money that you're making. And just going through this screen, then you have your daily reward. So these would be, you would have to come back every day to claim each of these. And if you miss a day, it goes back to the start. Go back to home. Daily puzzles. So this is kind of like the cipher. So this would be a puzzle that you would have to solve on a daily basis. The daily combo. So this takes you to the upgrade menu item, which has the three items, the three cards. So those are three cards which would be either randomly or basically three cards that you would need to purchase to be able to unlock the bonus for that day. So they're like your three daily bonuses that you can get. And then at the bottom you can see how many taps that you have before it runs out. All right, so that's kind of the home screen. If we go to the upgrade, so now you can see you have the different categories. So each of these categories then have cards in them, and those cards, in the same way with Hamster Combat, you have cards that you use your money to upgrade to increase your profit per hour. So you'd have a card that you then purchase, get it, and then that would increase your profit per hour. And that then you have your daily combo, which is like you have to try and work out which of the three. Obviously, you can release that information, or people work it out and then share it. The next tab along is friends. So with friends, if you click invite a friend, that will give you the opportunity to search for someone in Telegram and directly send them like a message to join. Or you have the other option, which is to generate a URL, and that URL you can share anywhere. And that then as people join, you'll get money and they get money. And obviously, if they're a premium member, then they get, you get more money. So the next tab is Earn. So on the Earn tab, that gives you the opportunity to give your community actions that you'd like them to perform, and that will allow them to, for example, subscribe to your YouTube channel, subscribe to your Telegram group, maybe watch the videos that you're putting out on your YouTube channel, and so that gives your community an incentive or benefits to do the actions that you'd like them to do. They get money from that, from say for example watching a video. They'll receive points or coins, and then they can use those to upgrade their cards, which give them more points per hour. And then finally, you have airdrop. So this is basically just connecting your wallet. So that gives you the ability to collect the the wallet address for your community members to be able to potentially issue them or give them some airdrop or tokens or rewards or that kind of thing. Okay, so that's it. And so just repeating again, this is something that if you're interested in using for your own community, your own project, if it looks interesting to you in some way, then I have in the description below there's a link for an inquiry form. Please fill that in. I want to find out if anyone else would be interested in using this. And yeah, look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.